I prepare to change habits and behaviors, not just diet, in order to lose weight. Yeah, because that's what you got to do. I mean, not just diet, because diet alone is temporary, but changes last forever. Changing those habits, being consistent with those habit changes, like daily walking, hydration, meditation, no negative self-talk. That's what I'm working on. No negative self-talk, because, that negative self-talk where you're always telling yourself, I can't do this. It's small daily changes that add up to big results. Share one habit that you'd like to start today that you can commit to. It doesn't have to be big, even if it's drinking one extra glass of water a day. Because if you really want to lose weight, those little habits stacking up, becoming different, an extra 10-minute walk, more water, more protein, start meditating, start going and playing in the park, swinging, fun things. Do fun things, because that's what, So, comment down below, because I would love to know what's some of the little habits that you're willing to do and to change in order to get your weight down to what you want. And remember, we want to build strength. The number on the scale is just one thing. What we are looking for as senior citizens is building our strength, mentally and physically. And the weight loss is a side effect. It will come off. But we're going to build muscles and strength up here and here. This is Debbie Garcia, the Badass Baby Boomer. This is question number 2 in the series of Are You Ready, really ready to lose weight? Your why is your foundation. Drop your why down below and let's talk about this.